Okay guys, the computer contains many parts to can we running. The important part for the computer collected inside the motherboard here. And the most important thing, the CPU here, under this fan, and the second part here, the RAM, also here the ROM, and the important thing here and here, this is the south bridge and north bridge inside the motherboard. And here battery